Hi guys! Today I'm here with a new superhero transformation video. Are you ready? Let's get started! Iron Man. And here's the transformation. Spider-Man. And here's the transformation. Batman. And here's the transformation. Superman. And here's the transformation. Hulk. And here's the transformation. Thor. And here's the transformation. Captain America. And here's the transformation. Wonder Woman. And here's the transformation. Venom. And here's the transformation. Thanos. And here's the transformation. Deadpool. And here's the transformation. Wolverine. And here's the transformation. Black Panther. And here's the transformation. Doctor Strange. And here's the transformation. We've come to the end of the video, but I have a surprise for you. Every day we publish fun transformation videos like this, and tomorrow there will be another incredibly fun new video. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss this video. See you tomorrow!